In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Google Meet on laptop and share screen. For example, you can see that I'm currently on meet.google.com. So I'm going to tap on New Meeting. After you have done that, all you'll need to do now, I can tap on Start an Instant Meeting. Once you have done that and you're in the meeting, you will have the option to allow microphone and camera access, or you can continue without sharing microphone and camera access. After you have done that, and once you're on this page, whether you have chosen to share it or not, all you'll need to do now, you're going to go down to the bottom right here, and you're going to see the option Present Now. You want to tap on the box with the arrow in it. After you have done that, you're going to see the option Choose What to Share with Meet Google. And you can choose whether you like to share the Chrome tab that you're currently on, or you can tap on Window and you can share a particular window. You can choose to share your entire screen if you want. So we'll select entire screen, as you can see right here. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Share. Now that you have done that, you can see Google Chrome might not have screen recording permission on your computer, and from there you could tap on System Preference. After you have tapped on System Preference, you'll tap on Open System Settings. Then you will be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can see right here Screen and System Audio Recording. All you'll need to do is simply toggle it on. Now that you have toggled it on, you'll be prompted to enter your password. So let me do that real quick. Once you have entered your password, you'll see Google Chrome may not have the ability, and you will tap on Quit and Reopen. So you can choose that right there. Now after I've done that, all I would need to do is simply go back in it. Then from there, I'm going to open this once more, and I'm going to go back onto Google Meet. So let me do that real quick. So I'll go back into Google Meet. Then I'm going to open it once more, and I'm going to tap on New Meeting, and I'm going to tap on Start Instant Meeting. After I've done that, all I would need to do now, you can see that I'm redirected back to this page. All I would need to do once again, I'll tap on this box. Then I'm going to tap on Entire Screen. Then from there, let me close this. Then from there, we can select Entire Screen, then tap on Share. Now you can see right there, it now has access and it can now share it, as you can see right there. Once you're finished, you'll simply tap on Dismiss. And that's it. As you can see right here, I'm now able to share my entire screen. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.